Imagine you're carving that golden holiday turkey and roasting those snacks and frying up your potatoes, all with less oil, less mess, and zero guilt. What if your kitchen gadget could help you eat healthier this season? Yes, we're talking about air fryer today. Instead of dunking food in oil, this little machine blasts hot air that gives you a perfect crispy texture we all love. But with up to 70 to 80% fewer calories and fat compared to deep frying. Isn't this amazing? That's why we want to talk about it today. Studies have shown that air frying cuts calories. It also reduces harmful compounds that form during high heat oil frying and even keeps your kitchen air cleaner. That's amazing too, right? You know, it helps. Use it for veggies, lean proteins, and roasted nuts. And don't forget to clean the basket regularly to prevent residue buildup, as that can alter your flavor and safety. So, yes, your fried and sweet potatoes can be both crispy and still be kind to your arteries. Follow Healthy Info for more tips like this. We got you.